commitment to our growth. To our Vice President, Dr. Dolores D. Kimbao, thank you po for leading us with resilience and always having our best interest at heart. To our Vice President, Dr. Randy Bikinlas, thank you po for your continuous support and guidance, which have positively impacted all of us. And to our University Registrar, Dr. Dolores D. Malyari, you've made it your mission to ensure each of us will get the support and assistance that we need when there's a document or record involved. And we're very much thankful for that. And to our beloved Principal, Ms. Luife S. Villanueva, thank you so much po, Ma'am B, for leading us with compassion, humility, and resilience, and for offering your continuous support and guidance to bring out the best in our potentials po. And to our academic instruction chairperson, Ms. Jacqueline C. Magno, Ma'am Jack, your unwavering hard work and determination is immensely appreciated po, as well as the advices and the encouragements that have helped us achieve both our personal and academic growth. And to our dedicated teachers and faculty members who patiently gave their time and wisdom and helped me to learn more. To all my classmates from USA with whom I spent my senior high school years, for making me feel that we were never alone in this fight through the simple yet helpful gestures such as sharing notes, participating in group activities, comforting one another, and having unity when there's a problem that needs to be solved. And thank you to our class mayor, King Aden Carlos. To my BFF and friends, and special mention to my two partners in crime, Joseph O. Calma and Angel M. Pagyo, who have been a part of my life in sadness and in joy will surely not be forgotten. Thank you so much, guys, for your presence, your support, and your patience whenever I needed someone to lean on. My beloved parents, Me, De, thank you for your endless love and support, for always inspiring me to study well and do my part as your only child. I love you both so much. And also love to the Lord Almighty for giving me all the chances and courage to enjoy life here on earth. Even though I struggle sometimes, He always grants me the strength and courage to overcome any challenges. Indeed, everything happens for a reason, and He will not give us this trial if He knows we cannot do it. And He continuously guided us to success. Now, we made it. Today, we show that we are ready to take the new step in our journey. As the cliche goes, it is not the end, but the start to take another road of challenges in life, becoming better students and humans as we fulfill all our goals and endeavors. Everyone here is born with potential and talent that needs to be developed as we grow. Every great hero starts with a little spark. Kailangan na muna natin magsimula sa starting line. So kung saan yung pinakamababa, yung pinakailalim, bago tayo makatungtong sa rurok ng kaligayahan, sa tinatawag nating exciting part. And no matter how small the differences and the things that we made and achieved, we are moving closer to success. Never stop dreaming and believing.